So, I mean, Presec Legon was out of the contest. They couldn't make it to the final stage of NSMQ or even win the trophy.
Sadly.
But they had fun. You know, even Akamfokra said that, say, cry, jai him. So they had fun on Friday during their bonfire, night. And there were a lot of performances from Black Sheriff to DWP. If you missed moments from the event, here's what went down.
Presec for life. Presec for life.